see the small fisherman. He came with a small boat.
The fisherman?
There down. Yes. Okay. He's coming there. He bring maybe some fish. Zoom it over there. The one you can see. Coming up, left, right, go down first. Okay. Go down, left, right. Okay, moving fast. Okay. Now, I'll turn the face. I'll turn the face. You see? Okay, okay. Turn the face over there. Okay. And tilt it. Okay. Face down, diving mode, straight forward. Wow. It's moving. Let it go straight, at least 75 meters. Okay. Now it's on the level. You can see on the remote mobile. And is a 2.5 meter under the water. I think it's okay. I don't. It's moving. Okay, let it move, my friend.
See the pilot?